Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as they happen and as they hot.
Why do I put Obaseki stickers on my vehicle? I mean, is it a problem? Is it a crime to Edo State for putting stickers? He said, what am I talking before I know they started damaging my car? One of them dropped a pistol. He said, if I told me that he would just shot me and they would run away. I said, for what? Key.
When?
Just today. Yeah. Today, for what? Is it a crime? My new motto?
Imagine what example they're already doing. Can you imagine? Just before the man asked God, your bicycle sticker in his vehicle. This is how they want to win election.
Now speed that
But you know the duo.
No, they were boys, almost 15. But by the time we tried to go home, they were not being with Christian. I said, are you mad? I will just shut in and get out. Say for what?
This one when they use the boost first.
Obaseki for governor! He said, "Yamu for cake man."
DJM TV.